How to convert Google Play balance into redeem code. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily convert your Google Play balance into your redeem code. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Play Store. And once your Play Store is open, you have to make sure that you're logged into an account. So whichever account you have, you are just going to log in and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now this menu will pop up where you have option to manage apps and device, notification and offers, payment and subscriptions, Play Protect, library, Play Pass. You're just going to click on payment and subscription. And right here, you also have different options like payment method, subscription, budget and history, and redeem code. So if you have any available redeem code, you can just tap on redeem code. You can enter your code and it should be on your account. So there is no active way to convert your Google Play balance into redeem code. You can even scan your gift card. If you tap right here, you can scan your gift card, and if that is not available to you, then what you can do is go ahead and search for Google Wallet here. As you can see, this is not available on my region right now, but if you have it on your region, you can basically download it and convert it balance and enter the redeem code to get all of the amount. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.